Now when we go ahead and hook the truck to the trailer, major portion, we need to check this fifth wheel handle. Fifth wheel release handle needs to be pushed in. If that is not pushed in, that is one of the major reasons why employees and trucks drop the trailers. That handle is not pushed all the way in. That handle has to be all the way in, okay? Now if we come back here, we do our visual inspection. We come underneath. We do our visual inspection of the locking jaws around the kingpin, okay? So that's where we're doing our visual inspection. Come underneath, you see that they're locked in. We're good to go.